Hello everyone. Welcome to a brand new series on data structure and algorithm. Before starting and deep diving into these concepts or some questions of the data structure and algorithm, I want to explain what the roadmap we can consider for learning or upskilling data structure and algorithm skills. So for that, what I need to do, you need to understand what is your current scenario, what is your current status of data structure and algorithm skill. If you are completely new or a completely fresher, or you are non-CS background, you are CS background, but you did not go too much in the college, or you did not prepare for any interview till now. So before starting on these things, you need to consider your situation, and on the basis of that situation you can start doing these things. If you have some fair idea how you can write the code in the data structure, like you are able to solve some questions in the data structure, then you can skip some of the basics and you can start with the mid-level concept directly. But if you are like a completely basic, you are not able to solve the question. If you have like a concept but you're not able to solve the questions, in that case you can start from the beginning. So why this kind of a structure I made? So I divided into the 12 parts, and 0th position you only analyze yourself, what is your current status. And the second one is before starting this roadmap description, I want to explain some of the scenario through some story, and that will give you the fair idea what is the current market of hiring process, and what was before. So when I started my career in 2015, so that time I met with one guy, Rajesh. He's from the Andhra, and he was working with very big company, and I learned a lot from him. So he said like when he joined any company, that time that company asked only, you know Java, and if you don't know Java, at least you heard the term Java. So he said yes. He is BCA. He is BCA guy. He was BCA guy that time. So he said yes, and that company hired him and directly sent to the US for the training, for the further training, and he start working in 2015. When I joined my company, that time in interview only asking only the question is, you implement the basic OOPS concept, some of the concept, and write some SQL query. That is enough for a fresher to hire. Nowadays, if you are fresher or experienced, some of the companies start asking very intense question in data structure and algorithm. Apart from the data structure and algorithm, they are start asking the system design questions also. So what I will do, I will like explain in this series how we can start with the data structure and algorithm, and later we will also see how we can improve our system design concepts. So let's start it in let's start with the data structure and algorithm roadmap. So first of all, you need to understand the theory of searching and sorting. Most of the problem or most of the question in interview asking around this algorithm only, searching and sorting. You need to understand what is sorting and what is searching. And in simple term, like a searching is nothing, it's like a reducing the search space with by the code, that's it. And sorting is writing the compare function, that's it. This is the two concept you need to understand. After that, you start creating the array. Like if you came from if you are like you came from college or outside the college, you must learn some programming in which like a array, most of the programming, like it is the native data structure. So you start how we can create array, and apart from that, some operation like how you can add, how can you access, how you can traverse, this kind of thing you should know. And after that, completing your array, then you should know about the string. If you know these three concepts, So I said like a 30% of the data structure or algorithm you are ready. You're ready completely. Just keep all the things in the mind. Never forget for the future, like that. And after that, all the theory you have, then start implementing the searching and sorting. So you should categorize how many types of sorting, how many types of searching, and what is the best one, and what is the, and other things you can learn in between only. Why it is best, what is the time complexity, these kind of things you will learn here only. And after that, try to solve 50 questions of array, different questions, not the same question. 15 questions of array, 15 questions of a string. I will provide these things through the link. You can download and start solving. If you solve this sixth step, if you can able to solve this sixth step, that means you are able to clear any round of like you can clear any interview of any company which is up to tier 2 company till you can able to crack. But after that, like if you want a very good company, that time you want to learn recursion as well as the pointer. These two are the major concept you need to ask to reduce how, like people will ask to solve the question, and after that they want to refactor that code in such a way the complexity will reduce. So in that case, 2-pointer concept and recursion will use. And once you learn these two things, that means you are able to clear, you are approximately build your knowledge till 70%, you can consider like that. And 5% you can understand, keep something, what is tree and why it is required and what is the use case, this kind of thing you can do. And 75% of all your syllabus will be completed till, if you done with the till 9 if you have done, that means 75% of your concept builded already. Next, once you are able to solve few of the questions in array and a string using recursion, pointers and this kind of thing, then you start implementing the linear data structure, like what is linked list, what is set, and what is queue. This kind of thing you can understand implementing. Once you implement that one, that means you are approximately equivalent to a 2 or 3 years of experience guy. And once you complete, then start implementing hashing and basic of hashing, why it is using and what is the use case of hashing and how we can implement hashing. So this kind of thing you can do. And once you prepare till 11, that means you are almost complete your mid-level data structure and algorithm concepts. So that means you are able to clear most of the company. But if you are at some point of time, if someone asking you the question regarding graphs and dynamic programming, in that case what you need to do, you need to try yourself learning after these concepts. So once you build all basic understanding, then I think you don't need any roadmap. In that case, you can find your way, how you can go for the advanced concept. So this is the idea, and I will try to give the idea of on every basic whatever the roadmap I created. On that basis, I will provide the tutorial. So that's it for this video, and hope you like this presentation and my explanation. If there is some doubt or there is some suggestion, please write in the comment, or for providing some energy to me, please like or subscribe my channel. That will boost my energy, and in future I can create more videos for help more people. Thank you everyone.